So you know you're supposed to be creating content online, right? Building a personal brand, getting people to connect with you. But what do I post? That's the common question. What kinds of things do I post regardless of the platform? It's really simple. All sales is doing one of two things. We're either trying to constantly avoid pain or move towards pleasure. Take a pooper scooper, for instance, right? You buy a pooper scooper. One of two things is going on here. Either I want my yard to be spotless and gorgeous because it makes me feel good, or I do not want to step in my dog's poo because I don't want to mess up my forces, right? I'm avoiding pain, or I'm moving towards pleasure. Here's the deal. Your content, realtor, for the most part sucks because all you're doing is saying, I am so excited about my new listing. I can't wait to show it off. Come to my open house. Check out what I have done, what I have made. Look at my clients, me. You're not discussing at all what your dream customer is trying to avoid from a pain standpoint or what they're trying to move towards from a pleasure standpoint. Pretend like your dream customer is somebody like me. I'm a dad, I got a kiddo. What am I laying at bed worried about at night? Well, I'm worried about my kid's future from an education standpoint. Where's the best school he can go to? I'm afraid of putting him in a position where he's at a school where maybe he doesn't jive well with the teacher, or the education level isn't up to par to the standard I want it to be. So what types of things could you, the realtor, be posting to help me avoid pain? Tell me about school districts. Tell me about the different elementary schools, the ratings. Introduce me to the principals. Sit down and interview the teachers. Help me get to know different teachers and principals and administration from different schools so that I can avoid the pain of potentially putting my son in the wrong school district. That connects me to you, and all of a sudden, your content isn't, look at my listing, come to my open house, check out me. All of a sudden, you flip it, and it's about your dream customer. Know your dream customer, know what they lie in bed worrying about, and know what pleasure they're trying to go towards. Where do they want to go hang out? What kind of vacations do they want to go on? What restaurants should they go hang out at on a Friday night? That helps me gain pleasure. So what kind of content can you create? Go sit down at a local bar that your dream customer would hang out at, interview the bartender, talk to the manager, get to know the recipe for the local favorite dish at a different restaurant. That helps me gain pleasure. And again, all of a sudden, your content becomes less about you as the realtor and more about me as the dream customer. So what is your content about? Is it about you, or is it about helping your dream customer avoid pain and go towards pleasure? See you soon.